Hello students, welcome back. So we are doing chapter 20, trigonometry, concept of measurement of angle, isn't it? And we have completed till question number 13. So today we'll start question number 14, MCQ, okay? Page number 277 from class 10th book of West Bengal Board of Secondary Education, Ganit Prakash, okay? So let's begin from question number 1 of 14. Question number 1. The end point of the minute hand of a clock rotates in 1 hour. So we are asked to choose from this 4 option the correct one, okay? The end point of the minute hand of a clock rotates in 1 hour. Pi by 4 radian, pi by 2 radian, pi radian and 2 pi radian. These 4 are the options, isn't it? So let's understand this question first. So this is the clock, isn't it? The shorter one is the hour hand and this longer one is the minute hand. When this right now this hour hand is pointing 1, isn't it? When this hour hand moves from 1 to 2, then we say it is 1 hour. During this time, this minute hand will complete one rotation, isn't it? From 12, it will move on again, it will come back to 12, okay? When this hour hand covers 1 hour, this minute hand will complete one complete rotation, okay? We know that, isn't it? One complete rotation means 360 degree, isn't it? One complete rotation means 360 degree. So in 1 hour, let's understand this. In 1 hour, minute hand, we don't need to write all these things in the examination. I'm just trying to make you understand, okay? In 1 hour, minute hand completes one complete rotation, which means 360 degree, okay? Minute hand completes 360 degrees, isn't it? One complete rotation means 360 degree. It starts from 12 and comes back to 12, 360 degrees, isn't it? So 360 degree means 360, we are asked to write in circular values, pi, isn't it? Circular values. So this is degree, which is sexagesimal. So let us convert this sexagesimal value to circular value, okay? Into pi by 180. So this 0 and this 0 gets cancelled. 9 2s are 18, 9 4s are 36, isn't it? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. This will give us 2 into pi, that is 2 pi radian. So which one is the correct option? Option D is the correct option, isn't it? So let us do question number 2 of 14 now. Question number 2 of 14. Pi by 6 radian equals to A 60 degree, B 45 degree, C 90 degree and D 30 degree. So we are asked to find the sexagesimal value of pi by 6 and these 4 are the options. We are asked to choose the correct one. Pi by 6, this is the circular measurement, isn't it? So let us convert this into sexagesimal measurement and find out which one is the correct answer, okay? So how do we convert circular measurement to sexagesimal measurement? Into 180 upon pi, okay? So this pi and this pi cancels out. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 6 0s are 0. So we got 30 degrees, isn't it? So among these 4 options, which one is the correct one? Number D, 30 degree, okay? Now let us do question number 3. Question number 3 of 14. The circular value of each internal angle of a regular hexagon is, so these 4 are the options given to us. We are asked to choose the correct one, isn't it? First, let us understand the sum of internal angles of polygon, okay? Since sum of internal angles of polygon is given by the formula n minus 2 into 180. So this is the general formula for sum of internal angles of polygon, okay? Where n is the number of sides of polygon, n equal to number of sides of polygon. Now we are talking about hexagon, isn't it? Hexagon means polygon having 6 sides. 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is a polygon having 6 sides called a hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6-sided polygon, isn't it? So internal angle is this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle and this angle. Sum of all the internal angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When we add all the internal angles, we get, in case of hexagon, hexagon means 6-sided, isn't it? N equal to 6. In case of hexagon, number of sides is 6, n equal to 6. So sum of all the internal angles will be 6. Formula is n minus 2 into 180, isn't it? So 6 is the number of side minus 2 into 180. Let me write into, okay, times 180. This is the sum of all the internal angles of a hexagon, isn't it? Now measurement of each angle equal to equal to 6 angles is this much, so each angle will be equal to divided by 6, isn't it? So 6 minus 2 is 4 into 180 divided by 6. 4 into 180 will give us 720, okay. 4 8s are 32, 2, 4 1s are 4, plus 3 is 7, this 0 we write here. 720 divided by 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 7, 6 2s are 12, 6 0 0. Which means each measurement of each internal angle of hexagon is 120 degree, isn't it? So this is 120 degree, this is 120 degree, this is 120 degree, this is 120, this is 120 and this is also 120. All the angles are equal to each other, okay. 120 into 6 will give us 720 degree. Now this is the sexagesimal measurement, isn't it? We are asked to find this measurement, this value into circular value, okay. So into pi by 180. So 0 in and 0 cancels out. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, isn't it? So this will give us 2 and pi are in the numerator. So 2 into pi is 2 pi upon 3 is in the denominator. So the circular value of each angle of regular hexagon is 2 pi by 3, isn't it? So which one is the correct option among these 4? 1 2 3 and 4. So option B is 2 pi by 3, isn't it? So this is the correct option. I hope you got this. Now let us do question number 4. Question number 4 of 14. The measurement of theta in the relation to s equal to r theta is determined by option A, sexagesimal system, option B, circular system, C, those two methods, and D, none of these two methods, okay. So we know that in a circle, okay, suppose this is the center of the circle and this is the radius, okay. This is one radius, suppose this is r, and this is another radius, okay. This is also r. Now this is the angle theta, okay, and this is the arc subtended, okay. This is the arc. So length of this arc is given by s, denoted by the letter s. So from this relation, theta equal to arc s divided by radius of the circle. Theta is the angle subtended at the center, okay. Theta is equal to arc, length of the arc divided by radius of the circle. And from this relation only we got r into theta. We can multiply, cross multiply this, isn't it? So s equal to r into theta is r theta. So this is the relation how we got this, s equal to r theta. Theta here is the angle, okay, angle in radian. Angle in radian. Radian means, we must remember, the theta is angle in radian. Radian means the circular value, okay. So among these 4 options, circular, number B, circular system, okay. This is the correct one. Now let us do question number 5 of 14. Question number 5 of 14. In a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, if angle A is 120 degree, then the circular value of angle C is, so these four are the options given to us. We are asked to choose the correct one, isn't it? So cyclic quadrilateral, this is a cyclic quadrilateral, okay, A, B, C and D. Quadrilateral means plane figure having four sides. Cyclic means in order, okay, A, B, C, D. So angle A and angle C are supplementary to each other, okay. Angle A and angle C. Cyclic quadrilateral means cyclic quadrilateral means angle A plus angle C. Angle A and angle C are supplementary to each other. Supplementary. The word supplementary means sum of these two angles will give us 180 degree. Okay. Complementary means sum of two angles will give us 90 degree, and supplementary means sum of two angles will give us 180 degree. Okay. So these two angles, angle A and angle C, when we add these two angles, angle A plus angle C, we get 180 degree. Okay, like in rectangle, suppose this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D, isn't it? So A is 90 degree, C is also 90. Okay, angle A plus angle C, 90 plus 90, we get 180 degree, isn't it? Similarly, this is a cyclic quadrilateral, so sum of these two angles are supplementary to each other. Okay, angle A plus angle C will give us 180. So angle A is given to us 120 degrees, isn't it? The value of angle A is 120 degree, plus angle C is unknown to us, okay, equal to 180 degree, or angle C equal to 180 minus 120. We take this plus 120 to the right hand side, minus 120, or angle C equal to 180 minus 120, that is 60, isn't it? 0 minus 0 is 0, 8 minus 2 is 6, 1 minus 1 is 0. So we got the sexagesimal value of angle C, that is 60 degree. If this is 180 degree, sorry, if this is 120 degree, if angle A is 120 degree, then angle C must be 60 degree. So sum of these two angles will give us 180 degree. So we got the sexagesimal value 60 degree. Now what will be the circular value? Because the options are in circular measurement, isn't it? Now let us find the circular measurement. 60 into pi by 180. 0, 0 cancels out. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. In the numerator, 1 into pi, that is pi, and in the denominator we have 3. So pi by 3 is the correct option. So among these four options, pi by 3 is option A, isn't it? So option A is the correct one. So we have completed MCQ question number 14A. Okay, now let us do B part of question number 14. Okay, now let us do part B of question number 14. Let us write whether the following statements are true or false. So we are asked to verify whether this statement is true or false. Okay, question number 1 of 14B. The angle formed by rotating a ray centering its endpoint in anti-clockwise direction is positive. So this is the statement, and we are asked to verify whether this statement is true or false. So let's understand this. So this is the ray and this is the endpoint of the ray. Okay, at this point we have 0 degree, isn't it? Now if we move this ray in anti-clockwise direction, opposite to the clock, okay, the angle formed will be positive. Again, if we further move in the anti-clockwise direction, opposite to clock, okay, the angle formed will be positive. Suppose this is plus 30 degree, just an example, okay, this is plus 60 degree and so on, plus 90 degree, plus 45 degree. Angle formed by moving a ray in the anti-clockwise direction is always positive. Anti-clockwise means positive, okay, anti-clockwise, opposite to the clockwise means positive. Angle formed is positive. But suppose this is the ray of line and this is the end point. We have 0 degree here. if we move this ray in clockwise direction, okay, clockwise direction, in the direction of the clock, the angle formed will be negative, minus 30 degree, minus 45 degree, and so on. When we move a ray in clockwise direction, angle formed is negative, okay. Clockwise, in the direction of the clock, angle formed is negative. Anti-clockwise, positive. Anti-clockwise, positive. Clockwise, negative, okay. When we move the ray in anti-clockwise direction, angle formed is positive. When move the ray in anti-clockwise direction, when we move the ray in clockwise direction, the angle formed is negative. So in this question, the ray is moved in anti-clockwise direction, isn't it? In anti-clockwise direction, so it must be positive, because when we move the ray in anti-clockwise direction, the angle formed is positive, isn't it? So this is true, okay. Now let us do question number 2 of B. Question number 2 of 14B. The angle formed for completely rotating a ray clockwise twice by centering its endpoint is 720 degree, okay. Clockwise, the word clockwise is missing in the question, okay. Let's add that, clockwise. Now let's verify this statement whether it is true or false. Suppose this is the ray, okay, 0 degree, and the ray is rotating in clockwise direction, isn't it? Now when the ray completes one rotation and it comes here after rotating, okay, after rotating, when it comes here, one complete rotation means 360 degree, isn't it? 360 degree. Another complete rotation means 360 into 2. So 2 into 36 is 72. 0 we write here, 720 degree, isn't it? So the magnitude is correct, 720 degree. So this can be true, but this is false, isn't it? Why? Because the ray is rotating in the clockwise direction. The ray is rotating in the clockwise direction, which means the angle formed will be negative, okay. Angle formed will be minus 720 degree, because the ray is rotating in the clockwise direction. So it should be minus 720 degree, not plus 720 degree, okay. So this statement is false. So we write false here, okay. This is false. Now let us do the next question. Question number 14C. Let us fill in the blanks. Question number 1 of 14C. Pi radian is a dash angle. So pi radian is a constant angle, okay. Constant angle. The value of pi is 22 upon 7, and this value does not change. It remains constant forever. So pi radian is a constant angle, okay. So let us do question number 2 of 14C. Now let us do question number 2 of 14C. In sexagesimal system, 1 radian equals to dash. So we are asked to write the value of 1 radian in sexagesimal system, which is equal to 57 degree, 16 minutes and 22 seconds, okay. So this is approximate value of 1 radian in sexagesimal system. How did we get that? Let's calculate it. Since we know that pi radian equal to 2 right angles, isn't it? That is 180 degrees, okay. Or 1 radian, unitary method, okay. 1 radian equal to 180 upon pi. This pi goes to the denominator by cross multiplication, isn't it? So this becomes 180 upon pi means 22 upon 7. So 22 upon 7. So that we write here, okay. So 2 11s are 22, 2 9s are 18, 2 0s are 0. This will give us 7 9s are 63. This 0 we write here, 630 upon 11 degrees, isn't it? 1 radian equal to 630 upon 11 degrees. Now 630 divided by 11. 11 5s are 55, okay. 13 minus 5 is 8. Now this becomes 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. This 0 comes down. 11 7s are 77. 10 minus 7 is 3. Okay, this becomes 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. So we got 57 degree, and this 3 is also degree, isn't it? But we cannot divide 3 by 11. So let us convert this 3 into minutes. 3 into 60. When we multiply with 60 to the degrees, we get minutes, isn't it? When we multiply degrees with 60, we convert that degree into minute. So 3 into 60 will give us 3 6 are 18, 180 minutes. Okay, so 180 is greater than 11. We can divide 180 by 11. 180 divided by 11. 11 1s are 11. 8 minus 1 is 7. So this 0 comes down. So 11 6 are 66. Minus 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay, this becomes 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So we got 16 minutes. Again, this 4 is also minute, but we cannot divide this 4 by 11 because 4 is smaller than 11. So let us divide this. Let us first convert this 4 minute into seconds. Okay, so 4 minute into 60 becomes 4 6 are 24, 240 seconds. Now 240 is greater than 11 because we are dividing by 11, isn't it? So 240 divided by 11. Okay, 11 2s are 22. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. This 0 comes here. 11 1s are 11. So 10 minus 1 is 9, isn't it? So 2 minus this becomes 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Let's put a decimal here. We write 0. 11 8s are 88, isn't it? So 10 minus 8 is 2. Now since the number after decimal is greater than 5, so we can round up. Okay, so 57 degrees, in short we can write this as 57 degrees. We write here 57 degrees. So this is 16 minutes, isn't it? 16 minutes, and this is 21.8 seconds, isn't it? So when the number after decimal is greater than 5, we can round up this as 22. This one becomes 2. Okay, 22 seconds. This is approximate value. Correct value is 21.8, and so on. We are still dividing, isn't it? So the approximate value is 57 degree, 16 minutes and 22 seconds. In successional system, 1 radian equals to 57 degrees, 16 minutes and 22 seconds. Okay, question number 3 of 14C. The circular value of the supplementary angle of the measure 3 pi by 8 is dash. So we are asked to write the supplementary angle of 3 pi by 8 in circular measurement. Okay, since we know that supplementary angle means sum of two angles must give us 180 degrees, isn't it? So one angle is 3 pi by 8 and another angle we don't know, so we write x. 3 pi by 8 plus x will give us 180 degree, isn't it? Supplementary angle means sum of two angles must give us 180 degree. So let the unknown angle be x. Okay, so this is circular measurement. This is also, let us suppose this is circular measurement, but here we have sexagesimal, isn't it? So let's convert this into circular. So 180 degree into pi by 180. This is converted into circular measurement, isn't it? 180, 180 cancels out. Or 3 pi by 8 plus x equal to, we have pi in the right hand side, isn't it? Or x equal to pi plus 3 pi by 8, we take to the right hand side, minus 3 pi by 8. So we have 1 here. Let us take the LCM of the denominators. Or x equal to, the LCM of 1 and 8 is 8. Okay, so 8 into pi, 8 pi, minus 1 into 3 pi is 3 pi. Or x equal to 8 pi minus 3 pi is 5 pi. 8 minus 3 is 5. 8 pi minus 3 pi is 5 pi upon 8. So the circular value of the supplementary angle of 3 pi by 8 is 5 pi by 8, isn't it? 5 pi by 8. Okay, let me write clearly. 5 pi by 8. Okay, 5 pi by 8. The circular value of the supplementary angle of the measure 3 pi by 8 is 5 pi by 8. If we were asked to write in sexagesimal value, then we would have converted this 3 pi by 8 into sexagesimal measurement by multiplying with 180 by pi. But right now we are asked to write in circular value, so we converted this 180 degree into circular measurement. Okay, I hope you got this. Okay, this was for today. Thank you so much. Stay connected, and I'll upload the rest of the questions in the next video. Thank you.